Have you ever stood in the supplement aisle staring at two tiny capsules that promise glowing skin and stronger hair and wondered if one truly holds a secret the other doesn't? It can feel like choosing between two oceans of possibility, both claiming to nourish beauty from within. Among the many conversations surrounding wellness and natural beauty support, krill oil and fish oil often appear as quiet rivals. Both come from the sea, both are praised for supporting overall health. Yet whispers in beauty and wellness circles suggest that krill oil might offer something unique for skin radiance and hair vitality. That idea sparks curiosity because beauty from within feels deeply personal. The idea that something as simple as a marine-derived supplement could influence how your skin reflects light or how your hair holds strength captures attention in a powerful way. But does krill oil actually improve skin and hair more than fish oil, or is it simply another wellness trend carried by waves of marketing and hopeful testimonials? To understand this story, we need to journey beneath the surface and explore how these oils differ, how they interact with the body, and why some people believe one may stand out. Fish oil has been a staple in wellness routines for a long time. It is typically derived from fatty fish and is rich in omega fatty acids that support heart health, joint comfort, and inflammatory balance. These fatty acids are essential because the human body cannot produce them on its own. For skin, these compounds may help maintain moisture balance and support the skin's natural barrier. When the skin barrier is healthy, it can hold hydration more effectively, which often translates to smoother texture and a calmer appearance. Hair health is closely connected to overall nutrition in fish oil. A nourished scalp can help hair follicles function more effectively. Some reports suggest that omega fatty acids may contribute to stronger strands and reduce dryness that can lead to brittle hair. People who include fish oil in their routine sometimes describe their hair as feeling more resilient or appearing shinier, though individual experiences can vary widely. Krill oil, on the other hand, enters the conversation with a slightly different reputation. It is sourced from small crustaceans that thrive in cold ocean waters. What sets krill oil apart is how its omega fatty acids are structured. In krill oil, these beneficial fats are often bound to phospholipids, which are molecules naturally present in human cell membranes. This structural difference has sparked interest because it may influence how efficiently the body absorbs and uses these nutrients. The idea of enhanced absorption creates excitement in beauty discussions. If nutrients are delivered more efficiently, some believe the effects on skin hydration and hair strength could be more noticeable. Krill oil also contains a naturally occurring antioxidant that gives it a distinctive color. Antioxidants play an important role in defending cells from environmental stressors, including exposure to pollution and ultraviolet light. These stressors are often associated with premature skin aging and dullness, making antioxidant support an appealing concept for those focused on maintaining youthful-looking skin. The comparison between krill oil and fish oil often revolves around this combination of phospholipid structure and antioxidant content. Certain wellness enthusiasts believe this pairing creates a more powerful synergy for supporting skin elasticity and scalp comfort. According to available information, certain laboratory and observational research suggests that krill oil may help reduce inflammatory signals in the body, which can influence skin clarity and overall balance. However, it is important to understand that research in this area is still developing, and results can vary depending on lifestyle, genetics, and overall nutrition. Skin is an incredibly complex organ that reflects internal health as much as external care. Hydration levels, collagen support, and inflammatory balance all contribute to its appearance. Omega fatty acids are known to play a role in maintaining cell membrane flexibility, which helps skin cells retain moisture and communicate effectively. Both fish oil and krill oil provide these fatty acids, which means both have the potential to support skin wellness. The difference may lie in how each oil interacts with the body's transport systems. Some individuals report that krill oil feels gentler on digestion compared to fish oil. Comfort in digestion can indirectly influence nutrient consistency because supplements that are easier to tolerate are more likely to be taken regularly. Consistency often plays a significant role in seeing gradual changes in skin texture or hair condition. While personal experiences cannot be treated as universal evidence, they contribute to the ongoing conversation about which oil might feel more supportive for daily use. Hair health is deeply tied to nutrient availability at the follicle level. Each hair strand emerges from a living follicle that requires a steady supply of nutrients and oxygen. Omega fatty acids may support circulation and reduce inflammatory stress around follicles. When follicles function in a balanced environment, hair growth cycles may proceed more smoothly. Some reports suggest that krill oil's antioxidant properties could offer additional protection to scalp tissues, though more comprehensive human research is needed to confirm these possibilities. Here is where the story takes an interesting turn. The beauty industry often celebrates the idea of bioavailability, which refers to how effectively nutrients reach the cells that need them. Krill oil's phospholipid structure is believed by some researchers to enhance this process. Imagine nutrients traveling through the bloodstream with greater compatibility with cell membranes. This concept fuels the belief that krill oil may deliver benefits more efficiently. Yet efficiency does not automatically translate to superiority, because overall effectiveness depends on dosage, consistency, individual metabolism, and lifestyle habits. At this point, many viewers might be wondering whether there is a clear winner. That curiosity brings us to a deeper layer of the conversation, and this is where things become even more fascinating. Some comparisons between krill oil and fish oil highlight sustainability considerations, purity differences, and sensory experiences, such as aftertaste or ease of swallowing. While these factors do not directly influence skin and hair health, they can affect user preference and long-term commitment to supplementation. Midway through exploring this topic, it becomes clear that the real question may not be about competition at all. Instead, it might be about compatibility with individual needs. Some people respond well to traditional fish oil and experience improvements in skin hydration and hair softness. Others feel that krill oil aligns better with their digestive comfort or perceived skin clarity. The diversity of human biology means that a single universal answer rarely exists in nutrition science. There is also the broader context of overall lifestyle. Supplements can support wellness, but they work best alongside balanced nutrition, proper hydration, sleep quality, and stress management. Skin and hair are sensitive to emotional well-being, environmental exposure, and dietary patterns. Even the most advanced marine oil cannot fully compensate for chronic dehydration or prolonged nutrient deficiency. This perspective reminds us that beauty from within is rarely about one capsule or one nutrient alone. It is a tapestry woven from daily habits and long-term consistency. Some emerging discussions suggest that krill oil's antioxidant component may contribute to protecting collagen integrity. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its firmness and resilience. When collagen fibers remain strong, skin may appear smoother and more elastic. While laboratory findings have sparked interest in this connection, large-scale clinical research focusing specifically on visible skin changes remains limited. Maintaining transparency about the current state of evidence is important for building trust and encouraging informed decisions. Fish oil, however, carries its own impressive legacy. Decades of research have explored its role in reducing inflammatory markers throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been associated with various skin concerns, including redness and sensitivity. By supporting inflammatory balance, fish oil may help create conditions that allow skin to maintain a calmer appearance. Many dermatology-focused nutrition discussions continue to include fish oil as a foundational omega source because of its well-documented history. Another aspect worth considering is stability. Krill oil's antioxidant content may help protect the oil itself from oxidation. Oxidized oils can lose potency and may produce unpleasant taste or smell. Greater stability could potentially help maintain the integrity of nutrients during storage. This factor might influence product shelf life and user satisfaction, though proper storage practices remain important for both types of oil. As the comparison unfolds, it becomes clear that the differences between krill oil and fish oil are nuanced rather than dramatic. Krill oil offers structural and antioxidant features that have sparked enthusiasm among wellness enthusiasts.
Fish oil provides a long-standing track record supported by extensive research and widespread use. Each oil carries potential benefits for skin hydration, scalp comfort, and hair strength. The outcome often depends on individual response, product quality, and consistency of use. Toward the later stages of this exploration, a deeper reflection emerges. The ocean has always symbolized renewal and mystery. These tiny marine organisms and fish carry nutrients shaped by vast ecosystems and intricate food chains. When people choose marine-derived supplements, they're connecting with a global cycle of life that extends far beyond beauty routines. This connection invites thoughtful consideration about sustainability and responsible sourcing, topics that continue to grow in importance as awareness expands. Imagine standing on a shoreline at sunrise, feeling the rhythm of waves while reflecting on how wellness journeys often mirror the ocean itself. There are calm days of steady progress and moments of uncertainty when results take time to appear. Whether someone chooses krill oil, fish oil, or decides to focus on whole food nutrition, the deeper goal remains the same. People seek confidence in their reflection, comfort in their skin, and vitality that shines through everyday life. As the story reaches its final stretch, the question returns with a softer, more thoughtful tone. Can krill oil improve skin and hair more than fish oil? The honest answer is that krill oil introduces intriguing advantages that may appeal to certain individuals, particularly those interested in absorption efficiency and antioxidant support. Fish oil remains a trusted and well-studied option, with its own meaningful contributions to skin hydration and hair resilience. Rather than declaring a universal champion, the comparison encourages curiosity, personal exploration, and informed decision-making guided by professional advice when necessary. If this journey into the science and story behind marine oils sparked new ideas or helped clarify your perspective, you are already taking a meaningful step toward understanding beauty from within. Wellness is rarely about chasing perfection. It's about discovering what supports your body's natural rhythm and respecting the individuality of your experience. If you found this exploration insightful or thought-provoking, consider showing your support by liking this video. Subscribing to the channel helps you stay connected to future deep dives into wellness, nutrition, and the science behind everyday health choices. And most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments. Your experiences, questions, and insights create conversations that help others navigate their own wellness journeys.